of silence. Means what? When a P will go down, there sound P able to listen.
It will be sounded.
ठीक से आवाज़ कम है.
So, okay, sir. We will try. We must try that to asking about it. We will try. We will try our best.
Yes, sir. I also want to say that I'll try my best.
Actually, we will try our best.
I'm not considered. I don't want to be considered that I'm complete. I'm not incomplete. I never want to be completed because this is the month by which you can never be satiated. You always have to be hungry about to learn anything. When your hunger will be completed, you won't be able to go ahead. If you have to be go ahead, then you will have to be always hunger.
It's a lesson from the Jawaharlal Nehru's life.
Yes.
You know why Jawaharlal Nehru's our Prime Minister loved children? Because they want to live always as a kid. As a kid always have curiosity to learn.
Yes.
And if a small individual that is not a kid, if they have courage to learn anything, that is eager to learn anything, it must be the spirit of kid. There must be. That's why it is a lesson from Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, like that. We must be kid. We must be curious about something else, about everything else that we want to learn. And if we are curious, and if we have the spirit of a kid, that we must learn everything else in the world that we want, that we need of, that we are possessing of that always life.
And I want to say one more thing that Pandit Jawaharlal wrote a lot of letters, and there is a famous letter to the former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, and that letter became a book. And that letter is very famous through the whole world. And the name of that letter is A Father's Letter to a Daughter. And this is not only a letter. We can learn a lot of things going through this letter. Pandit Jawaharlal said to his daughter, Mistress Indira Gandhi, that if we are born in a big family, according to economic condition, if we are born in a big family, we don't have to consider that we are big. If you have, Pandit Jawaharlal told his daughter that if you have to become a great leader of India, then you have to eye-to-eye connection with the mass of India, with the people of India.
Exactly the same thing Mahatma Gandhi said. If you want to bring a new law, if you want to bring a new conditions, new circumstances to our people, then if you are in confusion that it should be applied or not, it should be applied or not, then just think one thing, that the least portion of the country should be benefited or not. If it is not, then it must not be applied, and it is, and it must be applied. The same thing that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru has told to Indira Gandhi in another way, isn't it?
Yes, sir. The same thing came in other words by the source. Okay.
No, sir. There is a very Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's life is a all the lifetime is a lesson to us. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our former Prime Minister, was very eager to follow the rules. He used to say that rules are meant to be followed. Rules are not meant to be broken. Our young generation nowadays just consider that rules are the rules which are meant to be broken. No, rules are meant to be followed, and it must be understood by all the students, all the youngsters, all the kids nowadays. Because nowadays our kids are going in a wrong way, in a wrong direction. That they consider that rules are not meant to be followed. When incidents were there, when Motilal Nehru was the guardian of his water supply, and there was some scarcity of funds in that institution from where the water is coming from Motilal Nehru house. So it was informed to the same things informed to Mr. Nehru, that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and then he just ordered to cut all the water supplies of all the houses that is not paying the they rent. That's the thing. Then Pandit Motilal Nehru's houses, water supply also cut down because he also not paying the fee. Then he asked to Mr. Nehru, his son, Mr. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and then Mr. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru told, rules are rules. We are not just beyond of rules. We rules are, we must also follow them.
Because Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Motilal Nehru, all were the citizens of India, very serious citizen of India. And the situation at the time of our independence was very serious. You know, the independence day of Pakistan is 14th of August and our independence is 15th of August. There is rumor about the independence of India that we got independence. But in Constitution of India, there is one thing very clear, that the English, rural or English government transformed power to the hand of India. So, there was the birth of two countries, Pakistan and India. The situation was very crucial at the time. And going to that situation, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became the Prime Minister of India. At that time, the population of India was about
18 to 20.
yeah, 18 to 20 crores. Okay, and in that situation, he became the Prime Minister of India. This is the thing from which we can get lesson that how to deal with any situations. There happened a mass scare on the boundary of India and Pakistan, and that you have. I think you would have seen film Gadar. Gadar can tell us that what was the condition of that time at that time on the boundary of India.
Gandhi from Bollywood.
Yeah.
The same way, the life of Master Mr. Pandit Nehru is full of lessons. As some said, we can learn how to control any situation from the lessons or from the life lessons of Mr. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. When Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru wrote a book named The Discovery of India.
Yeah.
It's a very important book. Very in every aspects of your life. If you are a student, you are a teacher, you are whatever you are. But you must have to read that book because in that book, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru depicted all the aspects that he found, that he did, that he gained from India, and that the way that he wanted to build up the India, isn't it?
Yes. And I want to say that there is a university on the name of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. JNU stands for Jawaharlal Nehru University. And in this, in the year of 2019, the rank of JNU was first. And you have heard about Kanhaiya Kumar. He is also a student of JNU. And he got PhD at the age of 28. 32. Okay. I want to say that Jawaharlal Nehru University in India is such a university which is handling India. A lot of what we can say, it is used with the horse, lagam. JNU is the lagam of India. When any politician tries to underestimate the power of India, then JNU comes out and that university handles the politicians.
All the students of JNU, all the professors of JNU start from the life lessons of Jawaharlal Nehru. Nowadays, in the last couple of years, the conditions of JNU is being rumored all across the world. That is, JNU students is anti-nations like that. But it's all rumor. If we understand the things at ground level, we must see that the JNU is the most precious, most significant, most potent university of India, and across the world, the most famous. In Nobel Prizes that is in India, Kailash Satyarthi, and then Amartya Sen, one was there last year, and Abhijit Banerjee. Abhijit Banerjee is from JNU. He earned their PhD degree from JNU in economics.
And our present or honorable finance minister is also from JNU, Nirmala Sitharaman. And he is not only an finance minister of India. She is an economist. Okay. And now this is over, I think. And today is the day of. This is the day of truth defeated falseness. Today, this is Diwali. This is the day of Diwali. And now we also have to go home. You also have to go home. Everyone has to go home and show.
Celebrate their
This is an auspicious
festival of light.
occasion of Children's Day, and these events will continue in this coaching. Okay, this event will continue in this coaching, and you also will be looking this event. Yes, sir. And
On the auspicious occasion of Festival of Lights, Diwali, it is the day when Lord Ram came to Ayodhya after exile of 14 years. Exile is very difficult thing. We can learn a lot of things from Lord Ram. If you have ever read the Ramayana book, you can learn each and every step of all the things. And
okay, sir.
I think we should stop now.
We should stop now because this is enough, and this is the day of Diwali. So, sir, that's all.
डेविड थैंक यू सर, बहुत ही बेहतर लगा।
Thank you, sir, for this
कहीं न कहीं बच्चे को ये लगा कि अगर इस तरह से हम लोग भी करते तो हर एक जगह पे सम्मान मिलेगा। ऐसा नहीं है, आप लोग के बीच अगर ऐसे टीचर है, ऐसे गुरुजी है, तो निश्चित रूप से आपको भी सीखने का मौका मिलेगा। खास तौर से क्लास 10 और 12 के बच्चे के लिए तो मौका रखा हुआ है। जैसे आपका एग्जाम होगा, सर बोले थे जैसे एग्जाम हो गया, एग्जाम खत्म के बाद आपका स्पोकन क्लास स्टार्ट होगा, तो आप लोग ऐसा बाकी जूनियर क्लास में कई क्लास स्टार्ट है। 12th और 10th में थोड़ा सा नहीं हो रहा है स्पोकन, जूनियर में स्टार्ट है। तो आप लोग पेशेंस बना के रखेंगे, निश्चित रूप से आप पे काम किया जाएगा।